There are always new products that are popping up and trending with print on demand, or maybe legacy products that have just gotten a facelift. And today I'm walking through one of those products and why I think it is going to be huge for 2026, given some new capabilities and trends that we're seeing across Etsy. So if you know me, you know a couple of things, and that's I love digging into the trends, and I also like presenting different, more nuanced products that maybe you haven't seen before, and maybe suppliers that you haven't considered before. Today, I'm kind of breaking the mold a little bit because I've done my research and there is more opportunity within a product that we all know and love. And that product is going to be the hat. And while you're probably thinking, wow, Megan, that sounds pretty boring and kind of predictable, there have been a lot of changes in the hat space and capabilities that are now possible within hats and print on demand in the last year. And so I thought it was important to highlight these changes and some early trends I'm seeing that are picking up steam that you can jump on board early in 2026 before the rest of the market gets them. Hats are not new, but there have been new hat varieties and hat products that are now available with embroidery that previously embroidery was available, but you didn't have as many options. Like maybe you just had some stitching colors and just text options. You can now do some really cool things with hats, and we're seeing people make absolute bank off of the hats. So to talk about the hats, I'm partnering with Printful because they have so many great options across their assortment of hats, but also their application techniques. So they have a couple of different techniques that not every single production partner has, and that's embroidery, and they also have DT Flex. So DT Flex means that you're gonna be able to do a lot more fun things with the colors that you put on your hat, and then embroidery obviously means that you have more options to actually have the threads sewn into the cap. So a couple of things I wanna highlight here is first the assortment. You have options across the classic dad hat, you have the cuffed beanie, you have distressed hats, you even have corduroy, which is really cool. And then you have other hats like this one, the 5-panel mid-profile baseball cap, which is becoming so popular. I'm gonna walk you through some trends because I always come with receipts, but this one is absolutely blowing up and it is limitless on the different types of designs we can put on this that is both trending and different from what we're seeing out there right now. But let's double click into this one right now. So as you can see here, this hat comes in different colors and it has different techniques of application. So you can definitely do DT Flex, which means that we are printing directly on the hat, or you can do the embroidery, which has the threads. So a couple things to call out here is for embroidery, they don't just allow on the front of the hat, you can also do the side panel and the back of the hat as well, which is different and not something that I've seen on a lot of other platforms. The other thing here is they mentioned you can do standard versus unlimited color embroidery, but not all products allow for the unlimited color. So you'll have to take a look at which products allow for standard color embroidery, which means you can choose up to 6 different colors to include in the design. But what's really great about this product is it is actually eligible for the puff embroidery, which basically allows threads to pop out from the hat. You can see here that the 3D puff does come with an upcharge, but it is different and it is unique and it is something that we're going to see trend really well. And to give you an example of one of the products that does allow for unlimited color, I'll take you over here to the classic dad hat. So while on the other hat we weren't able to do unlimited color, on this one we can. It does come with an upcharge, but what this basically allows you to do is include all types of coloring onto your product, so it can be any type of design that ranges not just the 6 thread colors that you would have to choose, but the entire rainbow. So you can do some really, really fun, creative, personalized, customized designs that are new and unique and probably specific only to what you're going to offer. Once again, this product allows for it on the side panel as well as the back of the cap. So fun options that would make your product stand out depending on how you want to mix and match these together. So now that I've shown you where to find these products and what to look for when you're thinking about unlimited embroidery, actually puff embroidery or standard embroidery, let's take a look at some examples of how people are absolutely printing cash when doing hats. So here is an example of a listing of a hat that has been live for only 4 months. As always, I am using my Everbee extension, which will allow me to actually see some rough sales figures on how long these products have been live, how many reviews they're getting, how many views they're getting, and the actual revenue estimates associated with each product. And obviously, if a product has been online for only 4 months and has this amount of sales data, around 1,200 monthly sales, it's something that we can pay attention to. And so being able to have Everbee to take a look and understand what is trending and how we can take learnings from that is huge. So this hat alone has done around 1,200 sales in the 4 months that it's been listed. It's gotten an insane amount of views, and this is something that if we wanted to make this hat, we absolutely could. We can see here that they're doing an embroidered, custom personalized dog or pet photo within the hat. And this is something that we could do by asking our customer to submit their photo to us. We take it and make it a more like stripped down, like fewer color variant, and use that image to go over to Printful and upload for our actual customized hat. It looks like this dog and this dog probably have been baked down into a more monochromatic or trichromatic dog coloring. So that's something we can do with AI pretty much for free. So when we analyze this listing with Everbee, we can get an understanding of how this product has trended, and it's probably just gonna keep spending, and it's probably just gonna keep growing and growing. So far in the 4 months that it's been live, 1,200 sales, it's doing 50K of revenue. That's insane. And this is one that's just now picking up steam. We know that when items start getting reviews, that grows and grows. So they're charging around $18 for this hat, but they're also adding on a $5 shipping charge. So if you have Printful growth and you can get this item for $16.99 with $4.49 shipping, this is still gonna be a very tight margin. So I'm not recommending that you charge so little for this type of product, but it's just an example of how we can take this same application method and use it to our advantage for print on demand without having to own any of this inventory. I would recommend you make your designs more unique, more specific, a little bit different, but that's a perfect example of somebody that if they are willing to take a very low margin and play the volume game, they can absolutely do that. So if they're making 50K of revenue, I would assume, unless they're printing these themselves, they are only making about 5 to 6K of that, but that's still a lot of money over a 4-month period. Just doubling down into a few other examples. So here we have another example of a similar type of hat, and this is closer to that 5-panel hat that we saw on Printful, where they're offering that custom text on the front, on the back, or on the side, and they're charging $21.25, and they're just having the custom text printed. They're not doing any type of fun designs, or I don't really even notice puff embroidery here. So that's an area where you'd be able to potentially provide value and differentiation from what's performing well. But once again, if we double click into the statistics here, this item has been listed for 6 months, and so far it's also done around 1,200 sales. When we take a look at all-time revenue, that's putting this listing at over $70,000 of revenue. The margin might be tight here, but still opportunity to take these learnings and make them our own. And a couple examples of what I mean by that is this listing. They've taken a hat, and now we're getting into a price range that would actually, from a profitability perspective, make a lot more sense. They've taken this hat, they've made a design that doesn't actually have to be customized each time, so you're not having to pay for digitization every time. They have this Best Uncle by Par, like a little play on words of Best Uncle by Far for golfing uncles. It's been live for 2 months, and they've already sold 130 of them. This is definitely profitable from a print on demand perspective, and they're charging $4.39 for shipping. If we analyze this listing, we can see over $6,000 of revenue. This is going to be inflated because it has the price at $47, but still, what an amazing example of taking one fun design, pairing it onto a hat that we could all do and source from Printful, and driving thousands of dollars in revenue. The last example that I'm gonna leave you with is my fave, and one that for me is so ripe for customization and personalization that is inspiring and makes me actually excited and want to sell hats in my print on demand shop. So it is this custom embroidered Bachelorette trucker hat. We have seen vintage 90s continue to resonate over the last year, and that is going to continue. People are really getting back into retro, and we love that. What they have here is one type of design, so it's a social club, cocktail club aesthetic. And this hat has been live for 6 months, has a conversion rate of 3.58%, and it's done 200 monthly sales. What I love about this is it's done 200 monthly sales, but that is likely 800 hats. When somebody is buying something from the Bachelorette niche, they're buying multiple. And so the average order size for a product like this is probably gonna be closer to the $100 range, which is exciting and gives us a lot of opportunity to continue to iterate on this type of combination of fun things. Hat, embroidery, Bachelorette, but let's make it a little bit more specific to the Bachelorette niches that are trending really well right now. So once again, this listing, 200 sales in the last 6 months, has really picked up steam coming into the holiday months, had a really good strong start in summer, and has kind of rode that momentum. What I would recommend we do by taking this learning is now going on to Everbee and taking a look at all of the other Bachelorette type of items and picking out some of the themes that are performing well, and then cross-niching that and doing something similar to what we're seeing here. We don't just have to do cocktail club, we can take a look at the other Bachelorette themes and then utilize that methodology to apply for our own hats. So for example, what I would mean by that is a lot of people are buying these t-shirts for Girls Gone Mild, and they have this fun little decal and everybody's loving that you don't have to go out and like rage for your Bachelorette party. You can have like a calm, cool, we're staying in, we're doing a spa day type of activity. You could absolutely take this type of design, not this exact design, but the general theme of Girls Gone Mild, and apply that for the hat. And so now we're taking what is trending well. This product does 200 monthly sales every single month. We're taking the hat that is continuing to rise in popularity, and we are cross-niching all that into this beautiful bundle that has all of the potential to do thousands of dollars per month in revenue. That is how I would think about this product niche and how we can take what's working well and iterate on it. I would love to hear your thoughts on other niches that would perform well for hats and any other fun hats that you're seeing in the print-on-demand space. Hopefully this was helpful. I post videos every week talking about print-on-demand, how to scale your business, how to start your business, and so that's valuable. Please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one.